Yeah, we back on the water. Johnson family boarding car. DisLyfe in the building. Yeah, yeah. When Ray dropped the date, man, we circled it fast. June said pack your bags, we was ready to blast. No way we missing it, not this trip. DisLyfe family cruise, yeah, we boarding that ship. Our favorite YouTube family, keeping it real. From the vlogs to the meetups, you know the deal. Ray and June host with the master plan. Put the whole cruise together, brought folks from the land, yeah.
Disney, please welcome all the Johnson family.
From North Carolina down to Florida, son. Cruising cousins linking up, now the party begun. Across the country we came to unite. Deck 11 sunsets, ocean breeze at night. Yeah, we love cruising, yeah, we back on the ship. Salt in the air, got that vacation drip. Feeling good, relaxed, no stress in sight. DisLyfe family, yeah, we living it right. From port to port, watch the blue sea flip. Laughing with our cruising cousins every step of the trip. Disney magic shining, everything legit. No way we missing this, we all in on this. Pulling up special on a Disney cruise ship. You already know it's a legendary trip. Atrium glowing when we walked inside. Black Panther centerpiece standing with pride. What kind of vibes right in the middle of the flow. Kids wide-eyed like they never seen more. Marvel energy, royalty stands. Hit that hero pose, take a quick glance. Breakfast on deck with the sunrise view. Late night trivia with the DisLyfe crew. Laugh so hard, got tears in my eyes. Living this life under Caribbean skies. Man, it feel good just to sail away. Leave the worries back on land for a day. Ocean rocking, heart unlocked. Every sunset got me feeling blessed by God. Where we love cruising, yeah, we back on the ship. Salt in the air, got that vacation drip. Feeling good, relaxed, no stress in sight. DisLyfe family, yeah, we living it right. Where we love cruising, yeah, we back on the ship. Salt in the air, got that vacation drip. Feeling good, relaxed, no stress in sight. DisLyfe family, yeah, we living it right. Cruising cousins from all over the map. Different states, but we one big pack. Disney magic shining, everything legit. No way we missing this, we all in on this. Ray and June, yeah, we rockin' with you. DisLyfe family, you know it's true. From the vlogs to the waves to the memories made. Cruise life forever, that's the Johnson parade. Yeah. Back on the ship, and it feel good.
I don't know. Maybe they think somebody else was gonna be in it.
Alright, Disney. We got a crab. Just came back from dinner. I don't know why they made the bed.
Well, if you can't sleep, you can sit up over there.
We'll see. Let Desiree have.
But you don't have a TV.
Y'all, Desiree took me out the bed and told them people to make this bed for me. That's what she did.
Yeah. Life in the building. Ordinary vibes. Cruise mode activated. Let's go. Yeah. Book that trip, no hesitation. Subscribers linking up across the nation. From the chat to the port, that's dedication. Ray and June built this whole celebration. YouTube fan, but it feel like blood. Met online, now we stacking on the love. From the comments section, straight to the shit. Now we all outside watching Destiny drift. 4 days strong on the ocean blue, all because of the vision from Ray and June. Hit play on the vlog, now we here in the flesh. DisLyfe family, yeah, we truly blessed. Thank you, Ray and June, our DisLyfe family. From the screen to the sea, now it's reality. Sailing 4 days on a Disney destiny with our favorite YouTube family next to me. Thank you, Ray and June, yeah, we had to be. Wouldn't miss this cruise, that's a guarantee. From the chat room, love to the open sea. DisLyfe forever, that's that's the energy. Yeah, walked on board, man, the vibe so clean. Disney destiny, looking like a dream. Black Panther centerpiece, standing tall. King energy, watching over us all. From the East Coast down to the West, Midwest crew, South showing up fresh. Different states, but the same heartbeat. Now we dancing together on a little deck beat. Met the whole family straight from the chat. Hug me, fam. Yeah, imagine that. Usernames turning into real life friends. Laughing like we been tight since way back when. We love their videos, every upload fire. Cruise tips, laughs, they take us higher. Hit subscribe and we stay locked in. Now we sailing together, let the memories begin. Thank you, Ray and June, our DisLyfe family. From the screen to the sea, now it's reality. Sailing 4 days on a Disney destiny with our favorite YouTube family next to me. Thank you, Ray and June, yeah, we had to be. Wouldn't miss this cruise, that's a guarantee. From the chat room, love to the open sea. DisLyfe forever, that's the energy. No way we miss it, had to be there. Suitcase packed with that ocean air. Cruising cousins from all around. Now we one big fam when that horn sound. 4 nights deep, feeling so free. Smiles wide as the eye can see. Started with a vlog and a dream online. Now we toasting together at Celebrate time. Thank you, Ray and June, yeah, we mean that. Build a whole community and we seen that. Disney destiny, memory stamp. DisLyfe family forever camp. From the chat to the deck to the waves that flow. Our favorite YouTube family, just thought you should know. We love y'all, that's facts. No pretend, DisLyfe play forever till we cruise again.
It look like you're tired. You're on vacation. There ain't no work, no school. It's time to celebrate. Who's ready? There we go. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the transitions of Junkanoo. It was from a day of rest that became a celebration. And not just 1, 2, but 3 full days to celebrate that day of freedom to do nothing. Now, with that being said, we have the drums here, we have the punch horn here, and we have the Junkanoo Troop to celebrate here with you today. So, what I want you to do, if you are able, rise to your feet. This is a dance party, y'all. Afterwards, follow me and our friends to the parade, and then stick around and take some photos. But until then, when I say ooh ooh, you all say Junkanoo. Ooh ooh. Ooh, ooh! That was pretty good, but I think we can be even louder. Say ooh, ooh! Ooh, ooh! That's right, and here they come, making their way. It is Mickey and Minnie! With that being said, we hope you had a fabulous time here at the Junkanoo Rush and Video Screen Pets at our cultural experience. And what I want you to do is stick around, take some photos with our friends today, and have a wonderful day here on Lookout. Until then, peace out, peace sprouts.
Oh yeah. Always. I'm from New Orleans, so it kind of reminds me.
Yeah, Mardi Gras.
Yeah. Fellas, I just want to get a selfie. It's all.